camcorder at my eye level. I want to have some kind of headband that I can put my camcorder in and I can wear on my head. So what I do is I take the foot rest or the foot strap from the back of my wheelchair. Back of my wheelchair. Take the foot strap off of there. Well, I have the foot strap now. Remember to put this back whenever you're all done. See? I'm going to get it here and I'm going to open it up. This side too. It's difficult to do this with one hand. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the foot strap and I'm gonna hook it through the arm, where you're supposed to put your hand in, your palm, and then I get the other end of the strap. And I put them together like that. Put them velcroed together like that. And then it's a good way to measure right there. I put this. I want to have the camera tilting down a little bit, but I want to have the camcorder at my eye level. Okay, see, it's tilting up a little bit, so I want it to be tilting down. Because the camcorder doesn't have the flexibility to move around as much as your eye does. But I kind of work with it whatever I can, you know. It's not an exact science, you know, so you kind of play around and you see what works. I need my glasses so I can see, so that's kind of a difficult thing. It's kind of a bummer, but let's see. Yeah, that's not too bad. So we'll go over there and we'll check out and see how our beans are looking right now. See if they sucked up any more water or not. Yep, they have sucked up some more of the water. Hopefully they won't expand too much. If they do, then what I have to do is I have to take 2 pots and be cooking 2 pots at the same time, which is kind of interesting.